How you doing, guys, and welcome back. I've got this TESA padlock here. I'll try and get you a good view of it. I don't know what model it is. It was something I picked up on eBay probably over a year ago or more now. It did come with a TE2 keyway, which is TESA / Gainsborough. That was the bidding on the key. Yeah, so I upgraded it to a dimple lock. Just realised I've never actually picked a dimple lock on camera, so let's see, the bidding's like a low high, so pretty good. The other way. I was thinking about buying a T60 or a T70 Euro lock, but I want too much bloody money just for that, so I went with a Daft Killit. I'm pretty sure that's the brand. That's the actual lock that's in it. But yeah, just something I picked up on eBay when first learning to pick dimple locks. Away. Try the Honest Dong Shi picks. It's just a flat flag. Alright, just went into a false set. A deeper false set. Looking for that binder. Any counter? No. Okay, try that pick now. It's like a curved flag, this one. Let's try from the left side. I just got my false set back. There, we're open. Screwdriver. Yeah, I upgraded the key pins, not the key pins, the drivers in this lock. They were all, oh geez, that's tight. They were all pretty much domed drivers. So I think I put a few spools. Can't really remember, but alright. Zoom in properly. Locked it up. Right. Pretty sure I made a challenge lock out of one of these. Like the other half of this Euro. Tray. Tweezers. One's a standard, two's a standard, three's a spool. Another standard, another spool. Go from the back. There's a T-pin. I honestly don't remember putting that in there. Alright. Okay, so you see all the key pins are standard. Drivers 1, 2, 4 are standard. 3 and 5 are spools, and we have a little T-pin in 6. All the same springs. I hope you enjoyed, fellas, girls. Yeah, take care. Yeah, cheers.